Hey you guys, my name is Nurit and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would make a beginner project, just taking a square fabric, folded in two, just the fabric, an old fabric I have with stripe, and just adding elastic and that's it. Hemming, that's it. Elastic hemming square. So you're welcome to join me. I hope you enjoy it and let's get started. So I'm cutting this fabric in two, so I will have two pieces, the front and the back of the dress, and that's it. Let's get started. It's a stretchy fabric and I need to see what is the right side and what is the wrong. Okay, so I have two right sides facing together. I want to find the middle point, so I will cut a neckline.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste.
Now I'm going to decide where I want my elastic to be, how high. So I'm going to measure from the shoulder, the neck actually, till after the bust line. I want it to be here. So that's about 40 centimeters.
What's left? The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
And now I'm going to take the elastic and measure around my waist, make sure it feels comfortable.
Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
And I need to cut it in half. Since I have the front and the back, I'm going to attach the elastic separately for each part of the fabric.
We'll go.
I'm going to measure the middle point, so I will place the middle of the elastic in the middle and then the 2 points on the sides. When I sew, it will gather.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Okay, now I'm going to face them right sides together and I'm going to attach the side seams. I'm going to leave an opening for the armhole.
melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Now I'm going to sew the shoulders and then I'm going to try it on and see if I want to shorten it or make it maxi length. And just look in the mirror and decide.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I have a problem. What is sewing without problems? And you're not a real sewer until you know how to fix your problem. So now I'm going to tell you what the problem is. You must have guessed, yes, I cut the neckline way too deep and now it's showing a bit of my boobs and I don't like it, but I'm thinking of my options here. I like the length of the dress and don't have any extra fabric beside this round neck hole that I cut too big. So I cannot use this as a cuff. I thought about doing a cuff here and maybe covering a bit of the neckline, but it's too little and it's not on the bias, so I will probably, it will stand weird. It has much stretch to it and the dress does lay flat here, so I can add a stripe here, but I need to measure it. Okay, so I'm going to measure now. What is the front? I have to measure what is the front. How long I need the cuff to be. You don't pull in the fabric, so it's about 63 centimeters. And this is, if I will measure it, 30. And then the 27. So that's 57 and I'm lacking 4 centimeters. Who would have guessed it would end up in 4 centimeters? Size does matter, you know, apparently. Okay, so my next suggestion is using a different bias tape in order to reduce the big opening in the neck. But this bias tape does have pink in it, but I think the stripe already gives it a messy look, and giving it additional points and stains, I don't know, it's too much. It's too heavy on the eyes. So I'm thinking no. This is down. So another option is to use this and basically make two straps, and I'll have the original big and flowy and the 2 straps which will pull it a bit up and make sure I'm decent. But first I'm going to hem the neckline as is, and the sleeves, remember we sewed all the way up to here, so now it's only a matter of folding and hemming. And the bottom of the dress, straighten all the raw edges and hemming it as well, and then I'll do this. So I locked all the edges with an overlock machine, and now I'm going to hem the armhole and the bottom of the dress. Okay, problem fixing. So I have a dress, but the neckline is way too big. I cut the neck way too big. And now it's kind of very loose on the top, and you can see my brow, and I don't like it. So I don't have enough material to add a collar and more material here, or maybe to add stripes and I thought about it, but I don't have enough materials. So what I'm going to do is make darts, just little darts to make the neck area more fitted. Let's do it together.
Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So I ended up making 7 pleats. This is how it looks from the outer side, and this is from the inside. Okay? So now I'm going to create the neckline, folding and hemming.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands.
So thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below, and I will see you next week. Bye.